Hi there, my name is Raymond. In this video, I would like to talk about a super nice trick on Canva for promoting your Redbubble products and other print-on-demand platforms like Teespring, Spreadshirt, Zazzle, and others. And I am sure that trick I am going to talk about you haven't heard before, and it would blow your mind. So if you want to know this nice trick and the more other tips and tricks in making money online in many fields like print-on-demand and affiliate marketing, simply like this video and subscribe now to my channel not to miss any further videos for any tips for making money online. And now it's time to know this nice trick on Canva. So we are going to canva.com, and here on the home page of Canva, today I am using a free account of Canva, okay, which means this trick today is for free. And here in the search bar, we can use any template of social media for promoting your designs, like Twitter, like LinkedIn, and we can use Instagram, okay, an Instagram post like that. We can choose create a blank Instagram post, step by step. Okay, just we come here to the left panel and upload our designs, upload media. Okay, this 4 photos, open, and here I will promote yoga designs with using professional mockups. And I want to promote them on social media like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and others. Okay. Secondly, I will make 4 different pages of Instagram post. Okay, so I can add second page, third one, and fourth one. Okay, these are 4 pages. Okay, that's okay. And now we can add and drag any of each of these templates or these mockups for these pages. Okay, and the first one we can add this mockup or this design of yoga design. Okay, the second one the same, like that. The third, super easy, and the last one, and the last mockup of the last yoga design, like that. And here you can add some call to actions of these pages, like shop now, buy now, show me more, and something like that. Okay, and here is a fantastic trick comes up. We are going here to this 3 dots here, as you see, 3 dots. Okay, just click over that, and here in this search bar we can type HE, and here we can choose this Hidden Flip Box, this option, Hidden Flip Box, like that. Okay, just we can use, okay, all pages for save, and here we will turn all 4 Instagram post pages into a nice flip book, or in other words, we can turn it to a photo album. Okay, just click in view in Hidden Flip Box. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. And here we have a nice flip book that contains your photos of your yoga designs. Just you can as a hold a photo album, or you can consider it, this is flipbook, as a landing page or professional landing page, and as a new look landing page. So we can just turn these pages like that as you hold a magazine. It's very nice, very cool flip box, a new look landing page of your photos and your designs. Okay, And here on the left panel of Hyacinth Flipbook, you can add some effects to your flipbook, like title. You can just type here any title of your flipbook, like Yoga Lover. Okay, and you can add a subtitle and description as well. And here for the page effect, you can change the style of turning pages of your flipbook. Let's check it out. You can switch from magazine style to book, album style, slider, cover flow, and so on. Like we can use book, okay? So we can turning pages as a book, as you see. Cool book of your photos of your yoga designs. And the third page, like that. Okay. Turn it back to magazine. That's cool. Background, here you can change the color of background of these pages, okay, from white, yellow, blue, and others, okay, and many other effects to your flipbook. The most important thing and the most important effect of your flipbook here is link. And here you can add some links to your flipbook or your photo album, or in other words, you can make your pages and your designs clickable, okay? So we are going to link, and here you can decide which part of your page will be clickable. Like that, I want to choose this whole part that will be clickable, like that, okay? And here there are two options appear. Either go to page, so you can make your customer switching between your pages of your flipbook, or you can add an external link like a Redbubble item, Redbubble store, and others, okay? So we are going to choose this option, open link, and here we can add the link of your design on Redbubble, this yoga design link, okay? And open in a new tab. We are going to redbubble.com, okay? And we can promote this classic t-shirt, so we are going to copy this link, copy link, okay, come back to Hyacinth and your flipbook and just paste here. That's okay. Close. So here we can make this page clickable, okay, and the same to your all pages of your flipbook. You can make this page clickable and this page and so on, okay? So when you're happy with this, just you can save changes, okay, and go to this published. That's okay. Stop editing. That's beautiful. Share. And here there are many options for promoting this awesome photo album of your designs, like link, email it, and embedding it to your WordPress site, social sharing for Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and others, download and others, okay? So we can try this option of copying this link like that, and we can try it in another browser. Just paste, okay? That's beautiful. So if I am a customer and lands to this flipbook, and I will browse this nice photo album like that, turning these pages, okay, and if I like this design on this t-shirt, I will click over it. I will be converted directly to this Redbubble page, okay, like that. So it's a nice new look way for showing your designs on social media like Pinterest, Twitter, and Facebook for promoting your designs. And here we reach the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe now to my channel. And if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video, and goodbye.